Hopefully we don't. Okay. All right, Facebook, YouTube, what's going on? We're here with my client, David Allen. We are off North Shore. In what part of Knoxville?
Concord.
In Concord. We just finished up a clean and buff and recoating sand-free on the stairs right here. They bought the home. They had used me prior. His wife had found me. I can't remember how she found me, but we did their floors at the house you guys just sold. Bought this home, which is an original home that they'd originally had. We came out and they had some painters out, did quite a bit, and there was just sheetrock dust all over the floor. It came out and I think I quoted you guys for, well, haven't quoted all the way yet for a few different things, but one of which they're moving in, is it tomorrow? Tuesday, okay, so they're moving in Tuesday. They wanted to go ahead and get the floors cleaned before they moved in because they were covered in that sheetrock dust. I'll link the video below, you guys will see that. And then also they had a flight of stairs and they're pretty steep, and you guys had talked about the possibility of putting a runner on there because of how slick they were. I assessed it and told them that an anti-skid additive, which is something that's supposed to be put in the product, is commonly not put in the product because either A, the hardwood sanding and refinishing, they just don't know, or they don't care, or a combination, they don't know and they don't care to know, is what I like to say. So we did those two services, and always we like to get a client testimonial. So I'll let David tell you a little bit about his experience in working with us.
We've had nothing but a great experience. Been very true to their word. If they say it, they mean it. Jason's been on the spot. He's here. He's affordable. He's a go-getter, and he just stands behind everything he says.
A lot of go. a lot of going all the time. But David, I appreciate you guys. Like I said, this is the second time, and I really do appreciate it, man. I tell people all the time, it's awesome to go out and do, like you said, stand behind your work and show up on time, great communication, all of those things, and then have people that appreciate that and continue to work with you. So it's awesome to be able to get to work with him again. And hopefully this will be the last time for a while, aside from maybe fixing some stuff around here. But again, David, I just appreciate you guys, and thank you so much, man.
You're our guy.
I appreciate it, for real. Thank you.